Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things, I gotta just let it all out. I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about, telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that, telling me things about rap, talking the truth and that stab in my back that will knock me off track. No, too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking. Remember my moves in the past, I'm wondering what was I thinking. Lately I'm living in fear, wondering what if the end is so near. All of this shit going on, the shootings are strong. One shot to the head and I'm gone. I'm losing control but I can't let it go, cause I'm trying to get more. And I've been in the moment, I've been in the zone, and I'm moving alone. I don't pick up the phone when my family call, I've been doing it wrong and I don't know what's happening. Trying to get what I just been imagining, getting close and I just been examining all of the fake shit the game has been packaging.
I've been keeping real, I've been doing what I feel. I've been out here trying to kill every beat, I know I will. Everything I'm working on, every night another song. They been quiet all along, they gon' notice when I'm gone.
I come from a town where most of the people are so close-minded. They going to school and they working a job, but they don't even like it. I won't be put in a box, nobody telling me what I should rock, nobody telling me what I should drop, cause I do what I want and just know I don't stop. Recording till 4 in the morning, they snoring, I'm pouring my soul into every story. I'm writing, producing, I mix it, I master, I'm building my craft and I'm not looking back. I've been going doing things I wanna do when I want to. Everybody wanna get a win, but they not do. Everybody wanna copy you, but they not you. Everybody wanna be cool, but they not new. Whoa, look how I go, gon' be a dentist, I still got the flow. Never gon' lose cause I'm still doing both. Never gon' lose cause I've been on the road. Come to your state and I'm killing the show. Know that I'm young and I still gotta grow. Know that I'm working the most, know I'm never gon' choke. And I'm looking back down on the people below.
I've been keeping real, I've been doing what I feel. I've been out here trying to kill every beat, I know I will. Everything I'm working on, every night another song. They've been quiet all along, they gon' notice when I'm gone.
Drinks on me, got the builders on me. Squad deep, but we mob out, it's on me. I don't need no new friends, I've got all I need. I said I don't need no new friends, but I've got all I need. All the drinks on me, Got the build, it's on me. Squad deep when we mob out, it's on me. I don't need no new friends, I've got all I need. I said I don't need no new friends, but I've got all I need. Whole squad goes that way. Blacked out, I'm like Batman. In LA, we got kicked out, but now they want us all back, man. Y'all in the motherfucker friend zone. First try, took it to the end zone. All the lights off and her pants gone. And the Calvin Klein new panties. Ooh, I did some background to your squad and all of your team. And I know that what I found was some bullshit I don't believe. If y'all think you party hard, bitch, you ain't never seen us raging. You ain't even get that drunk at the club yet. Almost all my friends are wasted. Standing up on all the couches. This VIP is too crowded. This girl in front of me just talks too much, but the booty's on me bouncing. I turn down towards every month. These older heads trying to do shows with me. They know I'm next up. I'm getting big like I'm supposed to be. So order drinks on me. Got the build, it's on me. Squad deep when we mob out, it's on me. I don't need no new friends, I've got all I need. I said I don't need no new friends, but I've got all I need. Order drinks on me. Got the build, it's on me. Squad deep when we mob out, it's on me. I don't need no new friends, I've got all I need. I said I don't need no new friends, but I've got all I need. Brush them off of my elbows. Haters on me like Velcro. Think back to way simpler times when everybody didn't have a cell phone. Now these hoes all just pose for the camera. I don't want flicks, they all want answers. Stop talking about your followers and likes, I just can't stand it. Lately I know I've been fucking you, but that doesn't mean I still fuck with you. Wake up, phone full of bunch of nudes, then I get high, no drug abuse. I got a down girl on the weekdays, but on the weekends I find substitutes. 110 on the freeway, yeah, still smelling like a bunch of booze. In the club, pop bottles. Get paid when I black out. I could probably not move and I still get laid. I don't even need to ask now, yeah. But I do love dancing. Cute blonde Caucasian. Snow White like cocaine, cause low mains for them Asians. So order drinks on me. Got the build, it's on me. Squad deep when we mob out, it's on me. I don't need no new friends, I've got all I need. I said I don't need no new friends, but I've got all I need. Order drinks on me. I've got the build, it's on me. Squad deep when we mob out, it's on me. I don't need no new friends, I've got all I need. I said I don't need no new friends, but I've got all I need. Yeah.
I'm running, yeah. I'm running, yeah. I'm running away from the plug, yeah. I'm running, yeah. I'm running away with his drugs, yeah. I'm running, yeah. I'm running away from the plug, yeah. I'm running, yeah. I'm running away with his drugs, yeah. I just ran off with his packs, he'll never get them back. I just ran off with his packs, he'll never get them back, yeah. I'm running, yeah. I'm running away from the plug, yeah. I'm running, yeah. I'm running away with his drugs, yeah. Running off fast, never look back. Acting tough till you hear the gag, click clack. Bitch got licked, bragging about getting packs. Wanna bet that'll be the end of that? Started from the trap, yeah, I'm getting money now. Got a pound, but you probably shouldn't ask out. Hitting licks, so I gotta put my mask down. Yeah, mask down. Now I'm showing off in a foreign whip. Homies in the car that might just pull up with a stick. Never looking back, no exorcist. Like a god, I'm chilling on a crucifix. Now I'm getting money, money's coming my way. Rolling backwoods, smoking weed all day. Smoking every day, like every day's a payday. Living good, you can never live that way. Yeah. Talking lick talk, they don't know cause I never took my mask off. Put a pack in my hand, then I ran off. Got burners always ready for a standoff. Yeah, I'm hitting licks on the plug. Yeah. Stoney ran off with his drugs. I'm running, yeah. I'm running away from the plug, yeah. I'm running, yeah. I'm running away with his drugs, yeah. I'm running, yeah. I'm running away from the plug, yeah. I'm running, yeah. I'm running away with his drugs, yeah. I just ran off with his packs, he'll never get them back. I just ran off with his packs, he'll never get them back, yeah. I'm running, yeah. I'm running away from the plug, yeah. I'm running, yeah. I'm running away with his drugs, yeah.
Fuck these niggas, I ain't never roll with them. No wheel, not drugs, I ain't never roll with them. Like fuck you, I'ma buy a Uzi. I'ma put it at your family and shoot it. Like fuck you, I'ma buy a tank. I'ma move the shit in the front at your face. I'ma put a plug Dumped the body in the lake. Nobody safe now, you or the Jakes. Nigga, ride with the fire, let them die. Good luck in the grave. Ride with the fire, you get shot. Good luck in the big high clips, that's a baby AR. Tombstone red when you talk about the squad. Big high clips, that's a baby AR. Tombstone red when you talk about the squad.
I'm running, yeah. I'm running away from the plug, yeah. I'm running, yeah. I'm running away with his drugs, yeah. I just ran off with his packs, he'll never get them back. I just ran off with his packs, he'll never get them back, yeah. I'm running, yeah. I'm running away from the plug, yeah. I'm running, yeah. I'm running away with his drugs, yeah.
Yeah. Heard all over bullshit, I'm an athlete. Trying to get a whip with no backseat. Yeah. I remember applying the Zaxby's, and now I'm getting paid off of fat beats. Why you talking shit? Why you talking down? Why you doing circles? Why you walking around? Why you on the internet just acting like a thug? Cause no one gives you love, little bitch, you need a hug, yeah. Yo, I ain't shit yet, so what I say may not be relevant. I don't know where Simon went, so it's whatever Kevin says. I just spark a joint and start to come up with my sentences. The shit be off the top, so I do not need any references. Listen, I'm just out here on my own, yeah. Ooh, put it loud up in my cones, yeah. Put in hours in my songs, yeah. Making money from my home, why you mad? I know, cause you ain't making moves. You just hate on people making them, you look like a fool. I'll just hop on a plane, it depends on my mood. And then I'll flex a little bit, bitch, I ain't mean to be rude. Yeah, fuck it up, I might need a sec. Yeah, I'm jet lagged, I might need a sesh. Yeah, 4 joints to the Mendo. Have me forgetting I was even stressed. Yeah, I get faded, it's okay. Do too much, man, no way. Yeah, get the fuck up on my face, cause I'm trying to make some moves and you know I like my space. I tell them just give me a second. I load up and spit like a weapon. My girl said she been praying for me, so I go ahead and give her blessings. Roll up and blow up the pint. Feel like I slow up the time. Feeling the glow up, it's mine. Feeling the glow up, it's mine. I'ma go. Yo, harder than I ever went. Yeah, invest the money that I never spent. Yeah, collect all of the presidents. Yeah, and never leave evidence.
Second, no fuzz, ho. Bro, I need that berry cherry kush. Yeah, that dangerous. I stay high till I die, pussy boy, you can't hang with us. Wake up in the morning and I smoke 100 blunts. Only want the bag, fuck the second, no fuzz, ho. Bro, I need that berry cherry kush. Yeah, that dangerous. I stay high till I die, pussy boy, you can't hang with me. What a motherfucker say? Doing this shit since my 6th grade. Need that shit all every day. Need that shit, ain't nothing gonna change. Mary Jane, I ain't passing that shit. Hop on street, I'ma shake like a bitch. You can't come through, boy, you ain't shit. Yeah, I wake up every morning and I smoke 100 blunts. Yeah, oh, you ain't smoke nothing till you fucking smoke with us. If you come with stuff, cause you know I need me a fucking dub. Bitch, we smoking, I throwing up, been a motherfucking thug. Wake up
smoke 100 blunts. Only want the pack, fuck the second, no fuss. Ho, bro, I need that beverage, every kush, yeah, that dangerous. I stay high till I die, pussy boy, you can't hang with us. Wake up in the morning and I smoke 100 blunts. Only want the pack, fuck the second, no fuss. Ho, bro, I need that beverage, every kush, yeah, that dangerous. I stay high till I die, pussy boy, you can't hang with us.
Ain't on motherfucking hard carrying nigga.
Yeah.
What the fuck, cuz?
Okay.
What the fuck,
Yeah.
cuz?